Are you thinking about buying a Lennar home in the Charleston, South Carolina area? Maybe you're considering Summer's Corner or maybe Cypress Preserve. And maybe your price range goes from $330,000 all the way up to $450,000 or maybe more. Well, today we're doing a model home tour of not one, not two, but 3 Lennar home plans. We're going to start at the lower price range of about $313,000, going all the way up to $419,000. So let's get into it. But before we look at the first model home, if we haven't met yet, my name is Kristyn Garcia. I was born and raised in Charleston, so I know the area like the back of my hand. I work with my mom, Nona, and we've helped people just like you, and you, and you, move to Charleston and buy a home in Charleston. So if you'd like to work with us, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text. My information is in the description below. So let's take a look at the first model home. So let's first take a look at the Harrisburg Plan. This plan has 1779 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And a Harrisburg Plan recently sold for $313,331. So let's take a look inside. So here's what the Harrisburg Plan looks like on the outside. It's got a 2-car garage and it's a 1-story plan. So as we walk in, you'll notice that the door has a doorbell and a camera, and also a keypad for keyless entry. And as you walk in, you'll notice the beautiful open floor plan that they have here. So this is the dining area, and it's all one big open space, and you're gonna find the kitchen right there. Plus, they have 9-foot ceilings, which make it even more spacious. Okay, here's the kitchen. You get the granite countertops, and you're gonna have the laundry room and garage entry door to your right. And it also comes with stainless steel appliances and a stainless steel undermount sink. Here are the appliances. You're gonna have the built-in microwave and the gas stove. And to the right side of your kitchen, you're gonna find the 3 separate bedrooms. Here's bedroom number 1. Notice it's a good size here. And then here's bedroom number 2 on your left. And of course, all these bedrooms come with closets. Okay, and to our right, you're gonna find the shared hallway bathroom. And this one comes with a shower tub combo. And this is the 3rd bedroom. Notice all the natural light coming in. All right, and then as we walk back down the hallway, we're gonna go past the kitchen. Again, it's this nice big open space, so it feels a lot larger inside than it looks on the outside. And to our right here is the separate owner's suite. And I like that they put this in the back of the home for more privacy, and it kind of keeps separation from the other 3 bedrooms in the front. And here's the owner's suite bathroom with the dual vanity sinks, and you have the separate water closet right here. And notice this big, very large master bathroom closet. It's a walk-in closet, and you can have, you know, your husband's clothes on one side, the wife's clothes on the other side. And this one is just the stand-up shower. You do have the option to turn this into a shower tub combo if you would like. And we're back into the master bedroom. And I can't forget about the backyard here. It comes with a concrete patio that's covered. So if it's raining, you don't have to worry about all your furniture getting wet. So, okay, now let's move on to the second plan, which is the Primrose Plan. And this one has 2,185 square feet. And it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And one of the Primroses recently sold for $376,000, and they start about at $375,000. And the final price is going to depend on the lot size too, and whatever incentives they have going on at the time. That's going to affect the price. So here's the Primrose. Here's the outside. It comes with a covered porch on the 1st floor, and this is a 2-story plan. So with this plan, you get above 2,000 square feet. And you have a nice covered porch area on the 1st story. Again, you have the keyless entry option, which is actually standard. It's not an option, it's standard. And as we come in, this one actually has a foyer at the front. And this is a powder room on the right. They're using it as kind of an office right now. But notice this big wide open floor plan. You get the kitchen with the overhang for extra seating and this large living room with a lot of windows on the side of it. So that adds even more extra natural light. And then of course you get the stainless steel appliances. The fridge does not come with Lennar homes typically, so that is an extra thing. And you have this nice walk-in pantry right to the right of the kitchen. So this one has a lot of storage. So this is another angle of the kitchen. Notice all the extra cabinetry on the kitchen. So you have even more storage space in addition to the cabinets you have on the walls. And again, it comes with the stainless steel undermount sink. As we go outside, you have a nice concrete patio area. This one is not covered, but I believe you do have the option to cover it, and that goes to your backyard. And here's your backyard view. All right, let's go back inside. And before we go up the stairs, I want to point out this part right here. At your entrance, you have this very tall foyer, so it brings in even more light and it has more of that premium kind of feel. It's a little nicer. Okay, and as we go up the stairs, notice that the stairs are carpet. Typically with Lennar homes, you're gonna get carpet on the second floor and carpet on the stairs. And this one has the laundry room on the left. And here's another view of the loft area that you see right when you go up the stairs. So it's a nice extra space that you could use for a playroom or an office. Okay, so let's go down the hallway upstairs. Here's the first bedroom. They've staged it as a baby room right now. That's the first bedroom. And then to the right of that is the shared hallway bathroom. So that one is a shower tub combo, which would be great if you have small children and you could bathe them right there in that tub. Here's the second bedroom. I like that chandelier they put there. It's interesting. And then a linen closet and your third bedroom right here. So again, they're keeping in mind that you have 3 separate bedrooms to one side, and then they'll put the owner's suite on the other side. So here's the loft, and here is the separate owner's suite. It's a much larger room. It looks very spacious here. These are actually 8-foot ceilings on the second floor. And then here is the owner's suite bathroom. You have the separate vanities, and these are marble vanities. And right here you have the separate water closet. I like that that is enclosed. Here's your shower with the glass shower door. And it also has seating there if you have, older parents or something. And here is the large owner's suite closet. That's a nice size walk-in closet in my opinion. And then of course the linen closet is to the right of that. So that is the Primrose Plan. It is 2,185 square feet. 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. And that one recently sold for about $375,000. In the next phase, it might be more than $375,000. They typically go up in 3 to 5% increments. So expect it to be higher. And no matter when you're watching this video, prices are always going to be different. So make sure to check online or check with your realtor, that's me, to see if prices are current or what the final price is going to be after the lot size, or the lot premium, and after incentives and things like that. So now let's take a look at the largest plan, which is the Evans Plan. And that one has 2,591 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So this is the largest one in their series of models, and they do have larger plans and other options for you to check out. This is just what we have here in Cypress Preserve. So here's the Evans Plan. It's got the covered front porch on the bottom and the covered porch on the second floor as well. So as we walk up to the door, here's your covered front porch. Again, keyless entry, comes standard. And then they have this bonus room to the left that could be used as a separate dining room, or someone's using it as an office right now, so I didn't show that. But here is your dining area or your breakfast area. Here's the living room. And this one has a fireplace in it, which honestly, we don't really use them in the South, but they're nice to look at. And here's the kitchen. You've got a lot of kitchen space here. And this one has the stainless steel hood as well. Okay, so let's check out this screened-in porch. Okay, so this particular Evans Plan in the kitchen has dual wall ovens. And of course it has the subway tile, the hood, and the gas stove. And to the left of the kitchen is your powder room, and these come with chrome faucets, standard. So we're going back through the living room. So let's check out what's upstairs. So upstairs, you're gonna have your covered porch and a little bit of a loft area. It's not quite a full loft, but there is seating here. You have the separate washer and dryer upstairs. Of course, the loft could be used as an office or a play area as well. And here is the covered porch, which is really nice. you know, you could sit out here while it's raining. All right, and going back in through the loft, this is where the bedrooms are going to be. So here's the first bedroom, which they have staged for a baby. And this one also has a closet. It's a little bigger than the average closet you would find in a pre-existing home. And here is the second bedroom. So they have this one staged with 2 twin beds, and there's still a lot of space in between them. And here is a larger closet. It's a walk-in closet, so that's some great storage space. The third bedroom, again, you get a nice sized closet and a large window for a lot of natural light. And here is the shared hallway bathroom for those 3 bedrooms. This one is a shower tub combo with dual vanities. And then finally, here is the owner's suite. This one is a lot larger of a room than the previous ones. And here is the ensuite bathroom. So this one has the separate tub and separate shower. It's got the dual vanities with the marble tops there, and there's tile around the garden tub, and the shower is tiled as well. So that's the tour of these 3 model homes. You'll find these in the Cypress Preserve community in Moncks Corner. Again, the Harrisburg starts at $313,000. It's got 4 bedrooms and 2 baths and 1,779 square feet. The Primrose is in the middle of these. It's got 2,185 square feet and 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. And then the Evans is the largest of this model row at 2,591 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So these are the 3 model homes, and if you're wondering what it's like to live in the new Cypress Preserve community, then you're gonna wanna check out this video here. If it's not there yet, then I haven't made it yet. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. And if you're thinking about moving to Charleston and buying a home in Charleston, feel free to give me a call, send me a text. I'm always available on nights, weekends, whenever you need me, just shoot me a text. My information is in the description below. And if you're interested in other new construction, then check out this playlist here.